Ako at mga day ones, tuloy pa rin. Hindi pwedeng mapagod kasi nga tuto pa rin. Mga plinano, amin tong sasagarin. Walang pake sinong maiwan, habol kami, diba? Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Pilitin mong kayanin bago ka mapasahukay. Huwag mo nang pansinin kung anong sasabihin nila. Basta gawin mo lang kung saan ka sumasaya. Gumaga ang pakiramdam pag dinaan sa musika. Lahat ng pasanin, bawal ka dito kung pusika. Kaya malaya kang gawin, wala sa'yo magdidikta. Ikaw na lang gagawa ng paraan kung saan ka papunta. Basta gawin mo lang ang gusto mo. Kung alam mo makakabuti, eto para sa'yo. Huwag mo lang masyadong indahin mga pasanin, kasi darating ang bukas, lahat yan mawawala rin.
You, as a human being, you grow out of this physical universe in just exactly the same way that an apple grows off an apple tree. So let's say the tree which grows apples is a tree which apples, using apple as a verb. And a world in which human beings arrive is a world that peoples.
Pagmasdan mo ang buhay, di ba ang galing? Kahit pasanin ang bigat, ito'y kakayanin. Basta may Diyos at ika'y manalangin. Gagaan at gagaan yan, siya lang iyong tawagin. Pag sa oras ng iyong pagkalugmok, siya rin ang kaagapay pag ika'y rumurupok. Diyos ama lang ang magbibigay sa'yo ng lakas para harapin ang panibagong bukas. Tumingala ka sa taas.
If you believe that God is a monarch, an absolute, omniscient and omnipotent authority, shall we say a sort of cosmic ego, then to claim to be that is to introduce democracy into the kingdom of heaven, to usurp divine authority, and to speak in its name without proper authorization. And they asked Jesus, by what authority do you speak? Of heaven or of men? And he was tricky about answering that one. He said, by what authority did John the Baptist speak? And they were nervous about answering that one. He could have asked, by what authority did Isaiah speak?